A projected 33% increase in worldwide AI chip revenue for 2024 reflects the growing importance and adoption of artificial intelligence across various industries. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The surge in AI chip revenue indicates a broader adoption of AI technologies across industries such as healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and retail. Organizations are increasingly leveraging AI for tasks such as data analysis, automation, and predictive modeling, driving demand for specialized hardware optimized for AI workloads. The major players in the AI chip makers are number one, NVIDIA. It is leading in GPU development, crucial for AI and machine learning tasks. Number two, Intel. It is investing heavily in AI with a focus on both hardware and software solutions. Number three, AMD. It is developing advanced processors and GPUs tailored for AI workloads. Number four, Google, that is TPU, Tensor Processing Units, that is TPUs, designed specifically for accelerating machine learning tasks. Number five, Apple, custom silicon chips designed to enhance AI capabilities in their devices. Number six, Huawei, investing in AI chip development for various applications including smartphones and data centers. The growth in AI chip revenue reflects ongoing advancements in AI hardware design and innovation. Companies are investing in developing specialized AI chips including graphics processing units, that is GPUs, tensor processing units, that is TPUs, and application-specific integrated circuits, that is ASICs, that is ASCIIs, to accelerate AI model training and interface tasks. Hyperscalers, such as major technology companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, are increasingly investing in developing their own AI chips. This competition is driving innovation and spurring advancements in AI chip technology as hyperscalers seek to optimize performance, efficiency, and cost effectiveness for their AI workloads. This shift reflects the growing need for AI capabilities at the network edge, where real-time processing and low latency are critical for applications such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and industrial automation. Looking ahead, Gartner predicts that AI-based applications will continue to proliferate beyond data centers, reaching PCs, smartphones, edge devices, and endpoint devices. This broader deployment of AI technology will drive further innovation in AI chip design and fuel continued growth in the AI semiconductor market. Overall, the projected 33% increase in worldwide AI chip revenue for 2024 underscores the transformative impact of AI technologies on businesses and society, driving innovation effectively and competitiveness across industries. Let's look into today's headlines. Apple will introduce a new homegrown app, Passwords. Apple will reportedly introduce a new homegrown app called Passwords next week, which will make it easier for customers to log into websites and software. The company is planning the new app as part of iOS 18, iPad OS 18, and Mac OS 15, the next major versions of its iPhone, iPad, and Mac operating systems. The new app is powered by the iCloud Keychain, a long-existing Apple service. Meta Verified rolls out in India along with other AI tools for business in WhatsApp. With the aim to bring ease of doing business on WhatsApp, its parent company Meta announced the rollout of Meta Verified in India, Brazil, Indonesia, and Colombia. When a user sees a Meta Verified badge, this means a business has registered their information with Meta. Businesses using Meta Verified will receive enhanced account support and can use WhatsApp across multiple devices for their employees. Advertisers made mandatory to submit self-declaration before publishing any ad. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has announced a new feature facilitating self-declaration by advertisers and advertising agencies from print, broadcast, as well as digital media. According to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, the Supreme Court had issued a directive mandating all advertisers and advertising agencies to submit a self-declaration certificate before publishing or broadcasting any advertisement. Google Maps to stop saving users' location on its servers. Google has announced that users' location data will be stored on the user's device only. Earlier, Google Maps used to track the real-time location of the user and save it on the servers unless the feature was turned off manually. Google has also renamed the location history feature to Timeline. Google claims that the cloud services are safe, but storing this data on users' devices gives them more control. Narendra Modi to take oath as Prime Minister for third time on June 9th at 6 p.m. At the NDA parliamentary meeting, senior BJP leader Prahlad Joshi declared that on June 9th at 6 p.m., Narendra Modi will take the oath of office as Prime Minister for the third time. Senior alliance leaders and members of parliament were present when this news was made in the central hall of the former parliament building where Modi was to be elected as their leader. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.